Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to use Richmond Spiral with other platform. In this case, you have to be sure that you are inside the main platform. Then go to down and look for Richmond Spiral. Look, Richmond Spiral. Do click and it will show you the screen of Richmond Spiral. Then use this arrow to select the book according your grade. I'm going to choose second grade. It will show you two books, practice activities and interactive practice book. Depend of teacher instruction, you are going to choose one of these books. In this case, I'm going to choose practice activities. Look, practice activity shows you all the units that this book has. As I told you, depend teacher instruction, you are going to choose that unit you need to do the activity. Each unit has 6 or 8 activity. For example, unit 5 has 8 activity. Once you are in the activity, you have to do click. For example, I'm going to do the activity in unit 3, activity 2. It will show me this screen. I have a time and the instruction. So what I have to do is to follow the instruction for each activity. Does path like pineapple? So I'm going to do the activity according instructions. Once you finish the activity, it will show you the result. When you finish the activity, click in the X button to go back, and you can continue doing other activity depending teacher's instruction. Okay, I hope you learned watching this video. Thank you. See you in the next video learning class.